Hey, this is Jamie with Endor Labs, and I want to show you today how you can use Endor Labs with Cursor's new hook capabilities to prevent AI from installing malicious software. We've seen across the last few years that malware is being published at an increasing rate, especially in the JavaScript and Python ecosystems. And as AI gets more adoption, we see humans trusted to make software selection decisions for them more and more. If that's going to happen, we need to ensure that AI is not selecting malicious software. With Cursor's new release of hooks, you can set guardrails around AI to prevent it from installing malicious software. Here I've got three hooks. A shell malware audit hook, which is going to, before command execution, audit if a software package that's malicious isn't being installed. A malware audit hook, which is going to audit if a malicious package is being added to a software package manifest file, such as a package.json file, and a session end hook, which is going to report on that and intercept and end that AI session before malware has a chance of being installed. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask Cursor to install a software package with malware. NYC version 0.9.0 has known malware and that's been publicly reported. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to try and do npm install nyc config 0.9.0. And you can see here that the malware hook has intercepted that before the command was executed. Now you can guide AI in order to not execute those commands. I'm also going to ask it to install this via a package.json file. And as it updates that package.json file, after the file has been written, you should see that this is intercepted and the session is ended. Here you can see it detected malware in the following package, and you shouldn't use that. And then the malware is automatically removed from the software package. This is the way that you reduce the risk of AI installing malware. In cybersecurity, malware interception needs to shift left, and the furthest left you can shift it is prior to software installation. Malware ultimately has a data quality problem, where industry and academia have disparate public and proprietary malware feeds. There's no real public source of truth. Vendors such as Endor Labs get ahead of the curve by curating malware feeds above and beyond public data sources so that you can protect yourself and your AI from installing malware. If you want to learn more about Endor Labs or about Cursor hooks, request a demo and give us a shout. Thanks for watching.